Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to set up and use dumb summon in your Tesla vehicle. So this is moving your Tesla in a straight line forward or backward using the summon feature in the Tesla app. So to do this, we need to make sure that we have actually smart summon toggled on. So we're going to open up our menu by clicking on the little icon of the car down here. And then we're going to open up the autopilot menu. And then whether you're selected in cruise control, auto steer, or FSD, you should be able to find an option where it says actually smart summon and make sure this is toggled to the on position. So now with our phone, we're going to launch the Tesla app. Once you're in the Tesla app, we want to scroll down until we find where it says summon and then click on that option. And once we connect to our vehicle, dumb summon is these arrows that are pointing forward and backwards. So to summon my vehicle directly towards me, I'm going to hold down on the forward arrow. And you have to continue to hold your finger down on that button and your vehicle will start moving slowly in the straightforward direction. And once your car gets to where you want it to be, you can let go of the arrow and you can do the same thing in the reverse direction. And again, you have to hold your finger down continuously for it to move in that direction. And I was trying to think about what would be the main reason someone would use this function, and it would probably be a situation where perhaps you parked in a parking space, and if somebody parked right up next to you so close that it would be tough to get into your car, then you could just stand behind your vehicle and then summon it backwards out of its parking spot so that you could get easier access to entering the door. But anyways, those are the steps on how you use dumb summon in your Tesla vehicle. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.